Please be louder. I really appreciate it when you're really loud when I'm trying to record.
Oh yeah, yummy!
Hi Beauts, it's not Caroline here and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video we're going to do another makeup one, but we are going to attempt butterfly eyeshadow. Now I saw this on TikTok again, some girl did it and she was a bit like, I don't know if I'm going to have to do it, the eyeliner might go all wrong and then it might look shit, but it looked fabulous. So I've decided that we're going to attempt that today. Now the colours we're going to use are tartan-esque, because I have tartan trousers on, so we're going to do like red, yellow and green. Now in the beginning of the video she has already started the shadow, so let's just pause it. You can, this is her here. So yeah, you can see she's already started the shadow. So we're just gonna have to try and attempt that. So it's like the butterfly wing, kind of two big triangles, two little triangles, but like blended out. So we're gonna try and attempt that and then follow her, like, then you put eyeliner on it and then you dot like white dots on it. It looks so difficult, but we're gonna give it a go because it also looks really fun and cute. So I've done a base, I've done contour, I've done blusher, I just haven't started my eyes. So we're gonna have to find a palette that's gonna work well with what I got going on. Okay, so I changed my mind with the palette colours. We're going for my LA Rock palette and we're gonna do red, orange and yellow. So we're gonna do a fire wing, my love. We're gonna do a fire butterfly wing and we're just going to attempt it. I need to see what she looks like because she looks so great. So the first thing we're going to do is the base colour. Now y'all know I like to put loads of white on my base. Now this palette has white in it. So let's just start, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to go with this angled esque kind of brush. And we're going to go in first with the yellow and then the orange. No, wait. I never know which way around to do it. I think I'm gonna do the red's the most I don't know. I just don't know. We're gonna go in with yellow first and do the main wing as itself. Now y'all know I have hooded eyes and it's a burden and it's always been a burden and it always will be a fucking burden. So we're gonna try and make this look as best we can with the whole fact that my eyelids are fucking shit. So yeah, we'll do big up here and then a small kind of triangle-esque down here. So it's, but this one doesn't have to be, obviously the detail comes in the eyeliner, but you have to get the shadow kind of shape underneath, otherwise it's going to look shit. Not looking too bad this far, and to be fair, when I put my eyes normal, it still looks alright. So let's keep going. Okay, so we've got both yellow wings and we need to do... Why are you so dark? Why are you like in the dark? Is that bad? I mean, this is what we're dealing with. And then we need to do orange. And then I'm just gonna go for a pencil brush, I think, and see if that helps with the detail because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we've got two blended-esque fire wings, and then what I took with what was left on the rest of the brush, I just kind of blended out across my eyelid. Now we're gonna just check the rest of the video and see what else it is that she does, because it looks better than mine, and I'm sad about it. Okay, so she's done a little cut crease, so I'm gonna do a little cut crease too because I can. Okay, so I've just done a small cut crease. Basically what I did was use the Drug Lord liquid lip and just did a moon, half moon, and then I've got two shiny shimmers in that palette and just blended it out. So I was a bit like, this is gonna look shit, and to be fair, with the cut crease it's working exceedingly well, but we need to blend the cut crease out a bit. So we've got the colours, the yellow, and we're just gonna try and make it not so... That's not working. Bold? I always cover you up and I apologise. I forget, but you get to see my beautiful mirror, so that's always good. Do you know what? That will do. Now let's watch the rest of the video and see what it is that she does next, because the eyeliner is the scariest bit, because if you get the eyeliner wrong, you have to start again, and I don't want to start again. She doesn't hesitate. I think if you hesitate, you get like wonky lines. She just goes for it. She just draws the line on, and I think that's just what I need to do. I just need to draw the line on and just hope for the best and get the kind of wing look that I want. I'm generally terrified because of my fucking hooded eyes. Oh my god. Let's just start there. Okay. 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 So this is the first shape. I've made that end a little bit thicker because I know we have to put white dots on there. So I've made sure that I leave space for the dots. Literally gone all the way up to my eyebrow. Okay, let's just carry on watching, see what else she does. Okay, so she circles the bottom one and then tips it afterwards. So let's try and do that. Oh god, I'm scared. It's watering because I'm terrified. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. But where do I put this? Where does this go? Does it go down? I mean, it doesn't matter because my eye sits on it anyway, so it might as well just stay there. Do you know what I mean? Okay, that looks fine. Now we have to match the other one. And I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh god. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Oh. I nearly smashed the mirror. I nearly smashed my mirror. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. It's really not fun. It's not fun. It's not fun. It's not fun. It's fine. It is fun. My left eye always looks better than my right eye. Be it eyebrows, be it liner, be it anything I do, my left eye. The white dots better fucking save this. I swear to God. The white dots need to save this. I will redo that eyeshadow, don't worry. I'm not going to leave it looking like that. So what we're going to get, before I lose my shit, is my white face paint. I would use a Drug Lord, but I feel like face paint's going to work a lot better, and for me not to freak out and smash up all of my desk, I'm going to use the face paint. So we have Snazzaroo, we have some water. Still getting black on that, I swear. I swear I will murder you. Hey, welcome to my channel where I break things. Stop. This is it. This. We're just gonna do the white dots. So she took a bobby pin. We have that. We are gonna stretch it out because we have loads and who cares. We're gonna wet this. We're gonna get the bobby pin and we're gonna get, I don't know, a white. We're just gonna try, see if it works. You'd think if you use something that's round, they'd come out round. Apparently not. Apparently they come out looking whatever the fuck that is. And now I have to wait till it dries and go over it with fucking eyeliner again. And try again. Why is it not coming out round? Okay, so I've recovered it up. I've decided to see if Drug Lord works better than white face paint. So I'm going to put a bit on my hand to dip into and then use a bobby pin. Oh my god, I dropped it. Everything is angering me today. I need a drink. So I've stupidly done it in the hand that I have to hold my mirror with. So we're going to dip the bobby pin. This circle, I don't know why this wouldn't work. Please. Okay, future reference, use a liquid lip instead of fucking face paint because that works so much better. Do you know what? With the dots, it really is coming together. And let me tell you something, lashes fix everything. Just saying. Just saying. It still looks pretty cute. It's not great, but it's pretty cute. Get this off my hand. And I'm going to do mascara. I'm going to do eyebrows. I'm going to come back and we're going to put lashes on together and see if that improves this. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay, so I've done brows, I've done mascara. Now I also want to put a little gem on the final dot of each wing because I'm bougie as fuck like that, and that's what I've decided to do. We also need to pick out the lashes. This is my lash case. I've got to the point in my life where I own a lash case because I clearly have too many. So we need to pick out a lash that we think will look good. We need to pick out some like clear gems for the end. I like a big lash. I'm going to use my new ones. You haven't seen me use these yet anyway because they come with the Beauty Bay haul and I haven't done them. So these are my doll ones. So we're going to use them. So let's glue them up, and then while they're drying we'll do the little gem. And then we just need to highlight and do my hair, and then I can go to Aldi and buy some gin. Okay, so while my lashes are drying, I just nearly broke my chair with my fat ass. I'm gonna take, actually, I'm not gonna do that yet. Let's pick the two gems out that we want. Now, I bought this little tool because I've started doing gems and pearls and I needed something to pick it up with. It's like the Now, like pen, it picks up the gem and sticks it on wherever you want to stick it because I'm finding it really hard to do with my hands. So we need two gems that I want just clear ones. Okay, I found two clear ones, so we need to put some dots. I can't even use that mirror anymore because all the gems are in it. We'll get our second mirror. Hello, Grumble. You okay? You wanna come say hello? Come here then. Oh. Hello, fat boy. Oh, my little one's coming as well. Hi. You say hi? What? What do you want? You want to say hello as well? Come in there, Busy. Say hi, Busy. She hates being picked up, man. She absolutely hates it. Grumble will just sit there and take it. She is not having it. Okay, so we're going to do 2 dots of glue on the single dot at the end of each wing, which is enough to hold the gems. And then we're going to get the tool. Actually, we'll let it dry just a second. So we're going to get the gem. This tool works so well. It literally just picks it up. It's genius. We're going to stick. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god, yes. We live. I like that a lot. Okay, so the gems are on. What's up? Crummy. Wait. You alright? Okay, so the gems are back in the bag. Looks really cute with the gem on it. I enjoy it. And it's safe to say that this thing works an absolute treat. So if anyone does face gems or anything, get one of them pens. They're literally called Now Gem pens. And you can just get them online, get them on eBay. I think it cost me like £2. And now I can put gems on with ease. Let's put these lashes on and see if it makes any sort of difference to the look. Also, these lashes are beautiful. They're very wispy. And I enjoy wispy lash. Oh, lashes just make everything look 10 times better. Any look you got that looks shit, put a lash on. It's a beautiful moment. Okay, so we've got the lashes on, and already this look looks 20 times, million times better than it did before. I actually think it's really cute. I could do a better job. I feel like I'm going to retry it one day and do a better job. These bottom wings look too pointy to me. And I don't know, I just feel like I can do a better job. But for my first go, it looks great. So we're going to highlight and put some sort of lipstick on and do my hair, and then I'm going to come back and be like, finished look, bitch. Okay, so it was generally too much effort to try and straighten my hair, so what I've done is put a wig on because I can. And it is heavy, and I forgot how heavy it is. Anyway, this is the final look. I've done an ombre lip. I've highlighted and I stuck a little gem on the lip because I can. So what I'm going to do is do a slow-mo shit because always. Okay, so that was the attempt, my attempt of the butterfly wing eyeshadow. I don't think I did too bad. I think I did okay. Do you know what? As soon as you put the lashes on and get a matching lip, it looks alright. I'm just gonna put that out there. But again, I can do better. So let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys attempt this butterfly eyeshadow look. I hope it helped. I doubt it, but I really hope it did. I'm now gonna go to Aldi, dressed so bougily. Bougily? I don't know if that's a real word, but I've just made it up if it isn't. Bougily. And buy some gin. So, I have lipstick on my tip. Thank you so much for coming and seeing me today. I really appreciate it. Remember to push all those lovely little buttons at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see all of you beautiful people in the next one. Bye, 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 bye. Kind of cute, you know. It's kind of cute. I'm okay with it.